Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto E32s does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is at the bottom right here. That would be the main speaker. And nothing on the back side, nothing on the right side and left side, and on the top as well. So another speaker can be found right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Now, to determine if this device does have the stereo sound, we need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources while playing music, this means that the device does have the stereo speaker. If not, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this device doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.